Rồi chỉ được xua một conนี้จึงสำหรับบางคนในจังหวัดสวากรรม YouTube Community ไลฟ์เปียปอนตะนึงการไลฟ์ตะลือพอบอยยืนขนม channel บางคนอาจมาวิดีโอนี้แบบโอเคจึงไปดูยืนจกขนมเว็บไซต์ smmlight.com บางคนจะเริ่มทาน new order ดีมั้งต่อมาทีบางคนมาโลโก้ YouTube แบบจึงไปดูยืน select logo YouTube เรียนดังโชว์ผ่านกระต่าย YouTube ถึงออกได้ยังไงติงบ้านโอเคจึงไปได้ยังโอ้มากราวนี่มั้งยัง select กระต่ายเปียปอนตอนนั้นYouTube Community Live ไหมจึงยังมือจะนองจึงในกระต่ายนั้นไหมขนมนี้วิมีนcomment จานไหมอันนี้ขนาดขันกราวนี้วิมีนขนมนั้นคือ Community Live ยังไอติงบ้านจึงโกลมลองบ่อยยังคือยังจังบ้าน Live ตะลือ Community บ่อยยังตะลือพอบ่อยยังขนม channel แล้วนะจึงยัง select เลยกระต่ายหนึ่งมั้งไปโอเคจึงในขนมตะครีนี้วิมีนจานสวากรรมแบบอันนี้เปียปอนตอนนั้นคอมเมนต์ไลน์เตะไปเอาไว้ในยังจังบ้านคือยังจังบ้านcommunity พอไลน์ไปจึงยังจังบ้านไลน์ตะเลยการพอตัวในขนม community ขนม channel บ่อยยังเปียปอนตอนนั้นการพอขนม channel บ่อยยังไปจึงในขังกราวนี้วิมีนปีสวากรรมได้ยังไอติงไปตรงนี้ YouTube community พอไลน์ไปอันนี้ก็โดยคณีได้ไปแต่สวากรรม no review ទេបាទ no warranty ណាអូខេយើងអាចទិញបានក្នុងសវកម្មពីរនេះបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលសវកម្មទី1បាទនៅក្នុង description នៃសវកម្មគឺយើងត្រូវការ copy link ឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវ community post link បាទយើង copy របៀបម៉េចអូខេយើងឧទាហរណ៍មួយបងប្អូនបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំឧទាហរណ៍នៅក្នុង channel Putro ចុះបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងនៅក្នុង channel dashboard វាមានច្រើនបាទវាមានច្រើនកាតាករីនេះវាមានវីដេអូមាន home មាន short មាន playlist ចឹងទៅបាទអ្វីយើងចង់បានយើងចូលកន្លែង post បាទលក្ខណៈ community អញ្ចឹងយើង select មើលចង់បាននៅកន្លែងនេះបងប្អូនបាទជាស្រ័យយើងចង់បាន post យើងចង់បាន like ទៅលើ post របស់យើងណាអញ្ចឹងយើងគ្រាន់តែចុច copy កន្លែង share នេះមកបងប្អូនបាទយើងចុច copy link កន្លែងហ្នឹងមកអញ្ចឹងយើងយកមក order កន្លែងនេះបាទយើងផាស link ដែលយើងបាន copy តមកយើងចង់បានចំនួនប្រមាណយើងចង់បាន 1k like ទៅលើ post របស់យើងអញ្ចឹងយើងដាក់ចំនួន 1k មកបាទ 1000 ណាអញ្ចឹងអស់តែ13សេនទេបាទអញ្ចឹងតមកយើងចុច submit មកវាដំណើរការយើងហើយបាទអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ការទិញគឺងាយស្រួលទេបងប្អូនអនុវត្តតាមនឹងមកបាទហើយស្វាកម្មនេះគឺដូចគ្នាបាទសវកម្មប្រមនេះគឺដូចគ្នាទេបាទពីរហ្នឹងដូចគ្នាបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងចង់យកមួយណាក៏បានដែរបាទហើយខ្ញុំសូមបញ្យល់បន្ថែមតិចសម្រាប់description នៃសវកម្មអញ្ចឹងសវកម្មនេះវាដើរលឿន instant ណាហើយ speed វាអាចថាមួយថ្ងៃ 1k ដល់ 10k អញ្ចឹងវាដើរតាម order ច្រើនឬតិចហើយនឹងការ update អញ្ចឹងបើសិនណាជាវា slow ឬក៏វាដើរលឿនអាហ្នឹងក៏វាពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងការជាទិញដែរអញ្ចឹងណាតែបើមានការជាទិញច្រើនវាដើរយឺតតែបើជាទិញតិចវានឹងដើរលឿនតែមួយផ្លេតទេបាទគ្រប់ឲ្យយើងណាអញ្ចឹងស្រាប់បំរាមរបស់គេជើបាទអធិស្ឋានស្រាប់បំរាមរបស់គេយើងអាចមើលបានបាទជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសក្នុងនេះ service are cheap បាទ not stable it can drop time service will deliver it can be dropped after 10 minutes ឬក៏1ម៉ោងឬក៏1ថ្ងៃឬក៏10ថ្ងៃភាសាអង់គ្លេសដល់ក៏អូខេអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់សេវាកម្មនេះវាអត់ warranty ទេវាអាចធ្លាក់នៅពេលណាមួយអញ្ចឹងណាតែយើងអាចទិញបានវាធ្លាក់ប្រហែល%អញ្ចឹងទៅបាទព្រោះអី 1k តែ 0.13 សេនទេហើយវា no warranty no refill ណាអញ្ចឹងសេវាកម្មអត់មានការធានាអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងយើងទិញ 1k វាធ្លាក់30% អីចឹងទៅក៏អត់អីដែរឬក៏ធ្លាក់ 50% ក៏អត់អីព្រោះវា cheap price ទេបាទហើយមួយទៀតទី2 don't expect to get this service stable for any special time by your own risk we will not accept any complaint of drop and or not at ETA ចឹងនៅក្នុងសេវាកម្មនេះគេបញ្ជាក់ឲ្យបញ្ជាក់ទៀតគឺកុំរំពឹងគិតថាសេវាកម្មនោះវា stable អីមួយចឹងណាព្រោះសេវាកម្មនោះវាធូរថ្លៃអញ្ចឹងគេឲ្យបងប្អូនទិញដោយទំនួលខុសត្រូវខ្លួនឯងបាទ buy at your own risk ចឹងណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងសេវាកម្មនេះវា 1k យើងចំណាយតែ 0.13 សេនទេបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងទិញធ្លាក់500ក៏អត់អីធ្លាក់100ក៏អត់អីព្រោះអីសេវាកម្មហ្នឹង no refill ទេបាទយើងបើយើងចង់បាន 10k អស់តែប្រហែលសេនបាទអត់មិនដល់$1ទេបាទអូខេអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់សេវាកម្មcommunity Paul Light នេះបងប្អូនចេះរបៀបទិញហើយបងប្អូនអាចទិញខ្លួនឯងសាកល្បងខ្លួនឯងបានអូខេអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់វីដេអូនេះមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងបងប្អូនមានចម្ងល់អាចឆាត់សួរខ្ញុំបន្ថែមឬក៏ comment ខាងក្រោមវីដេអូនេះក៏បានដែរបាទអរគុណច្រើនបាយបាយ